The Jedi Survivor has fallen, and only a few survivors remain. They are working hard to rebuild their order and continue their mission. But sometimes, even the most skilled Jedi can encounter unexpected error that throw a wrench in their plans. In this story, a Jedi survivor encounters an unexpected error while attempting to access crucial information on their computer. The survivor had been working on a plan to gather resources for their mission and needed to access a certain file that contained valuable information. However, when the survivor attempted to access the file, they received an error message. The survivor tried several times, but the error persisted. At first, the survivor was frustrated and upset. This unexpected error had thrown a wrench in their plans and could jeopardize their mission. However, the survivor took a deep breath and decided to approach the problem with a clear and level head. The survivor began to investigate the error message, looking for clues as to what might be causing this issue. They examined the computer system's log and ran diagnostic tests. After some time, the survivor realized that the errors was caused by a corrupted file. The file had become damaged and the computer was unable to access it. But the survivor did not give up. They decided to try to repair the file, and using their knowledge of the Force, they were able to do so. Once the file was repaired, the survivor was able to access information they needed to continue with their plans. Thanks to their persistence and determination, the unexpected error did not derail their mission. This story highlights the importance of patience, persistence, and problem-solving skills. When faced with unexpected errors or obstacles, it can be easy to become frustrated or give up. However, by approaching the problem with a clear head and utilizing one's skills and knowledge, even the most challenging obstacles can be overcome. In addition, the story of Jedi Survivor and the unexpected error also emphasizes the power of the Force. By tapping into their connection with the Force, the survivor was able to repair the corrupted file and access the information they needed. This serves as a reminder that the Force can provide guidance and assistance in even the most mundane tasks. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.